Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to add watermark in camera on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the camera app on your smartphone. Now in the photo mode, just tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner on the display. And from here, just tap on watermark. Now just tap on text, and from here you can enable text watermark. Now from here, if you capture a photo, just like that, it will add a watermark on your photo, just like that. And this is how you can add watermark in camera on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.